See,
Hi friends, say hi to US. Okay. Arshilu, could you tell me how to make pancake?
Yes.
Tell me.
You need a bowl,
Hmm.
some flour,
Okay.
some egg, and some milk, and you stir it. Then first pancake is for George.
Okay.
You first, so you put it in a pan. Then you wait for it. Then you put it in a plate. Then you eat it.
Okay. So what are you going to do, Arshilu, now?
Making pancake.
Oh, you are going to make pancake. Okay. So what are the ingredients that are required for pancake? Uh,
Flour,
flour,
egg, and milk.
milk, okay, and vanilla for flavor,
okay. And
and
The toppings.
syrup.
toppings. Okay.
Rainbow sprinkles.
Oh, those are all toppings, sprinkles. And this one,
Strawberry. This is the marshmallows.
oh, marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Okay, and
Egg.
you add egg also. Good. Start doing.
First,
First, you are adding
Flour.
multi-purpose flour to in a bowl and adding ragi flour to the multi-purpose flour. Oh, you are shaking well. Okay. You are using spoon. Okay, absolutely. Come on.
mix it.
What are we?
Mixing.
Oh, you are mixing. Okay, fine. Good. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Good job.
and
What's next?
Then what should we do now? Egg. Shall I help you to break egg? Okay. With your hands, try. Yes, like this. Is it okay? Right. Then we will put this one aside. And what are you will do? No, you are adding it?
Milk.
Okay, milk. Good. Vanilla, how much?
A little bit.
A little bit. Okay. Shall I help you? Good. You are adding the syrup to the
Vanilla.
vanilla essence syrup. To all ingredients. Okay. Then what are you should do? You are mixing now. What is this? Whipper. Okay, you are whipping. Okay. So you are mixing all ingredients, no?
Yeah.
Oh, very well, very good. You are doing well. You are mixing it very well. Yes, Ashi is doing well. Good. Okay. Good.
We do
The
now.
batter is ready. Then what all you will do?
Put it in a pan.
Oh, you put it on the pan. So now it is heated. One no pan is okay. Then try to pour the batter on pan. Okay, slowly. Right. Carry on. Yes. Oh. Yes. So, yeah.
We do after 2 minutes.
How much time? We should wait for how much time?
2 minutes.
For 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes. Huh? You will,
Flip
put
it.
some-
Flip it.
Okay, after flipping only. Okay, then after 2 minutes we should flip it. No?
Is it ready?
Yeah.
Do you see bubbles?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's time to
Apply.
hoopla. Flip the.
Pancake.
Okay.
Yes.
Want to flip the pancake now? Okay. So pancake ready?
Then what about toppings?
Okay, now we. What do you do next?
Put it in a plate.
Put in the plate.
Okay. Right. That side. Okay, come. Okay. Right. Then.
Put the toppings.
Oh.
Upon
What's this?
top.
Syrup.
Can you
Top.
give it? That's enough.
Syrup. Chocolate
That,
syrup?
I think that's enough.
Yeah. Okay. Then what are you will do?
Put the top. The sprinkles.
Oh, there are sprinkles.
I will
Okay.
help you. No, not
Mom,
like
mom
that.
will help you.
You should pour it like this. Okay.
Yes.
Purple. Then
Pink.
2 colors. Okay.
Ashlu.
And red.
That's
Oh,
enough.
pink.
And red.
Okay, only 3.
Mm.
That's enough, right?
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Yellow.
Yellow. Right. Okay.
Yellow.
Okay, little bit. Right. Oh.
What green?
Oh.
Okay.
Blue.
All done.
Okay. And then what?
You put marshmallows.
What are they? Marshmallows?
Mallows.
Marshmallows. Good. Good.
Sticky.
Oh. Fine. They are sweet.
And then what? What?
What are they?
Biscuits.
Oh,
Biscuits.
Biscuits.
Okay.
Right.
What flavor is that, Hershey?
Oh, symmetrically you are arranging. Great. Oh, Ashley is doing well.
Okay.
So, pancake.
Wait.
Wait. Yes. Oh. Yes. Oh.
How is it?
Yummy. Say. Yeah. Oh.
Bye friends. Thanks for viewing my video. Bye.